How to make Instagram unstoppable with your smartphone. Smartphone photography tips and tricks to get really clever, creative, and fun photos and videos. What are we waiting for? Let's dive right into the topic. Welcome to Blush with me. Not everyone is a photographer, but the times you live in, you have enough celebrity and models to follow for inspiring photos and videos. And then there are some YouTubers who will teach you all of that, and also photography tips and filter hacks to achieve the desired results. You know who I was talking about, right? Copy celebrity photos you like. Nothing complicated, but copy their poses, their expression, shoot from the vantage points these pictures were shot in, and edit to get kind of similar effects. For instance, this model copied me, my pose, my vantage point, my filters, my editing. Or was it the other way around? My favorite app to edit is Snapseed. I did make a video on how I edit my pictures on phone on Snapseed. If you did not see that video, then this is that video. Make sure you watch it and let me know if you want to see more on how to edit your pictures like a pro. Now, let's get creative, like really creative. I saw this product by Pivo and I literally reached out to the brand on the first day and the first hour it was launched, and I could not wait to lay my hands on this little gadget. Let me tell you why. For the next couple of minutes, let's see how you can get insanely creative photos, GIFs. I have no idea how to pronounce it. Let me know how you pronounce it. Is it GIF? So you can get very creative photos, GIF, and videos with this interactive pod for your smartphone. I am so excited to show you. So this holds the phone by itself and it has a broad base, so it doesn't need a tripod. But if needed for the height, it can be mounted on a tripod too. So right now I'm mounting Pivo on my super inexpensive AccuWord tripod that you must have seen in this video. I've connected it to the Bluetooth. So here is amazing feature number 1. Auto tracking 360 degrees. It can track a face or an object. Here it is tracking my face. So I have the face tracking on and I could be filming, vlogging, shopping, traveling, and it captures everything. Even if I try to get out of the frame, it still tracks me. And now it is tracking an object.
Whoa. Wow. I get dizzy.
And these are going to be extremely smooth, butter smooth videos. No more begging your friends to take steady shots multiple times, because you know it and I know it that we are never happy with the first take. Now Pivo has 9 more amazing quick create modes. Let's take a look at some of them. Do most of your selfies have a long arm showing? Let's make that do all your selfies have a long arm showing and one arm is always missing in the pictures. But now taking selfie shots and videos is as easy as snapping your fingers, or just striking your pose, or simply saying cheese. That's awesome. So they have few other different words that you can pick before you want to take a picture. Now with this many me version, you can multiply yourself up to 15 times and bring different versions of yourself come to life in just one picture, in one place, without distorting the background. So it actually looks like a special effect picture that you took hours to create on Photoshop. This is so cool. This is so Instagram worthy. I love it. I cannot wait to go outside and try different versions of this. This is going to be super exciting. And the resolution on these pictures is very high, so I can print it and put it all over my house if I want to. Then there is Pivo Motion time-lapse photography, which takes traditional time-lapse photos to another level of dynamic. The secret? A silky smooth 360-degree horizontal camera pan. And this is what a tiny planet feature can do. Absolutely creative pictures of wherever you are. And then there is a versus mode. "50-50 mode. So say if I was doing one of my posing videos, this is where I show a bad pose. And then I go and talk here. Flash mode. That was good. And double take. That's cool. Now think about it. Some of these features cannot be experienced with some of your most expensive cameras. So I do have a couple of good news for you. Just for my followers, for Blush With Me followers, Pivo has offered 10% discount on their current prices. I say current prices because it is crowdfunded, and in the next few weeks the prices will go up. So only when you click on the link you can see the secret perk that you see here, and then there is Parmita exclusive, and that will give you the option to buy either the Just Pivo basic package or the full pack. And look at the price. This is like $279 for the full pack, and this is available just for $129. So absolutely stunning price. Struggling with creative gift ideas? Who wouldn't like this as a gift? Talking about gifts, I would like to give away not one, but 2 Pivos. All you need to do is tell me which feature of Pivo excites you the most. Their website is linked below, so go ahead and explore Pivo. Step number 2 to enter the giveaway is to, of course, follow Blush With Me Parmita and Pivo on Instagram. They go by Get Pivo. That's it. If you meet these 2 criterias, you can win a Pivo pack. Now let's get back to the world without gadgets. In case you're taking pictures and videos in harsh sunlight, then keep your sunglasses ready. Wanna know why? Say for instance, when you want to take pictures in harsh sunlight and everything looks overexposed, use your sunglasses. Now my next point, I'll completely leave it up to you to decide what you want to do with this information, but I read about it and I thought I should probably bring it to your attention. Now, cool versus warm filters when you're adding filters to your pictures, right? Images that are predominantly blue receive 24% more likes than photos with red or orange hues. This is according to some study, but for me, I love warm tones. My skin is warmer and it just doesn't look right when I make it look very cool. So maybe it works for certain skin tones who have more cool undertones. But again, something to consider. If you're warm undertones, try, explore, figure it out, and let me know if this tip really works for you. These were good tips, right? If you like these tips and found this video entertaining, then please hit the subscribe button and you will see a little bell next to it. Make sure you hit that too, because then you will get an alert so you don't miss my videos every Thursday. I just heard a click sound. Was that you clicking the like button, or was that the share button, or both? Please do it all. Subscribe, like, share, and of course, your opinion of today's video. And if you have any amazing tips, then do share it with me. I will include those in my future videos. In case you like my today's look, then the makeup is by COLOURPOP Cosmetics. My jewelry is my collection with Satat sustainable jewelry. We have some very amazing subtle but statement pieces. Do check out the collection in the website. You will see again in the description below. And the outfit is by ZARA. I am Parmita, Chicago-based image coach and photographer. Imagine if my videos are fun, how much more fun you could have with me on a photo shoot. So if you are looking for a photographer, you know where your search should end. If you are on Instagram, look me up and follow me. Here are my handles on the screen right now. I will see you in India. Yes, you heard that right. I have been posting my India meet and greet dates on Instagram, so please make time to come and see me. I am going to be doing a very unique event at Banyan Tree Center in the slums of Dharavi, which is popularly seen in Slumdog Millionaire movie. Some may call this a charity, but I call it a gift of beauty. I have amazing makeup artists, popular makeup artists from India and photographers lined up, and some of my followers are also joining me on this mission. So stay tuned on Instagram because that's where I share stories and development about this event and my other meet and greet that I'm planning in Mumbai and Bangalore around July 26th and 27th. And my Bangalore dates would be somewhere around 2nd or 3rd week of August, so I will keep you posted on the dates too. Make a note of all these dates. I cannot wait to see all of you if possible. But I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.